Let's talk about the wardrobe's quieter, more thoughtful cousin. The one that doesn't hide your life behind a closed door, but arranges it thoughtfully in the open air. This is not about concealed storage, but about considered display. A celebration of the useful and the beautiful, of the garment ready to be worn and the object that brings daily joy. This is the philosophy of a combined piece, a wooden and a pipe hanging clothes rack, integrated with a tray and shelf. It is a structure that acknowledges the ritual of dressing, not as a chore of extraction from a dark closet, but as a daily, curatorial act. The foundation of this idea is an honest dialogue between two materials. The black iron pipe, unapologetically industrial, with its threaded joints and matte finish, forms the skeleton. It sketches clean, vertical and horizontal lines in space, creating a framework that is both brutally strong and visually light. This pipe forms the uprights and the high bar from which clothes will hang. Its strength is unquestioning. It is the reliable armature that makes everything else possible. And on this steadfast armature rests the wood. This is where warmth enters the conversation. The shelves and the tray are crafted from wood with character. Perhaps oak with its pronounced grain and golden hue, or walnut with its deep coffee-rich tones. The wood provides the horizontal planes, a broad, lower shelf for folded sweaters, or a pair of boots, a higher, perhaps narrow shelf for a row of cherished books, or a small plant, and a generous, shallow tray, perfect for the delicate, often chaotic miscellany of the dressing table. A watch, a few coins, a pair of cufflinks, a perfume bottle catching the light. The wood's organic irregularity, its flowing grain, softens the rigid geometry of the pipe. The cool, dark iron makes the warm wood appear to glow. The hanging bar itself, a simple length of pipe, becomes a stage for your wardrobe's current protagonist. A freshly pressed shirt, a favorite dress, a jacket waiting for an evening out. They are not crammed onto a rod in a dark cavity, but given space to breathe, to be seen, to be chosen with intention. This open storage demands a certain editing, a mindful rotation of what is in season or in favor. It turns getting dressed into a more conscious, even appreciative act. The integrated tray is the unsung hero of this ensemble. Placed at a convenient height, perhaps on the lower frame just below the hanging clothes, it becomes a landing pad and a display in one. It corrals the small, essential items that would otherwise clutter a dresser top, giving them a dignified, dedicated room. A wooden bowl for keys, a ceramic dish for a wedding ring, a vintage hairbrush. These objects are no longer clutter, but a curated still life, a personal museum of the everyday. Together, this combination creates a self-contained dressing station. It is a piece for the bedroom that feels more like a thoughtfully designed boutique alcove than mere storage. It offers layers of utility, hanging, folding, and displaying. It has the modular, adaptable spirit of industrial design, yet the soulful, warm presence of craft. It feels honest. You can see how it put together every connection, every plane. In a room, it acts as a functional room divider, creating a zone without building a wall. It provides storage without the visual weight of a bulky dresser. Its openness makes a small room feel larger, as it doesn't block light or sightliness. It is a piece for those who appreciate the beauty of their belongings and prefer the clarity of open organization to the mystery of the closed cabinet. Ultimately, this wooden and pipe rack with its tray and shelves is a testament to organized openness. It uses the strength of industry and the warmth of nature to create a framework for your daily life. It doesn't hide your routine but dignifies it, turning the simple act of hanging a shirt, placing your watch in the tray, or folding a sweater into small, tactile interactions with materials that have substance and soul. It is a quiet reminder that the structures that hold our lives can be both beautiful, minimal, and deeply personal. I would love to know which element of this open system concept resonates with you the most. Is it the industrial meets organic material contrast, or the practical layering of hanging, shelving, and tray function, or the way it promotes a more mindful, edited approach to your wardrobe and daily belongings? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.